And this is one of those little bit longer loading screens. 1st April 1973, betrayal. Who betrayed who?
Come on, my boy. It's time we talked. So, you've been exploring, and you found the chamber. Well done, Lucius. Get your clothes on and meet me down there. Don't let anyone see you on the way. I noticed that not everyone is sleeping yet.
Aha. Okay. So let's see, Fabius. My grandfather woke me up. He told me to meet him in the chamber. Seems that everyone is still awake. I need to find a way to get past everyone undetected. Darkness is my friend. Well, as I said, this game is pretty random, so if you don't know what you need to do, you're gonna be stuck as I was. So first thing first, you're gonna go on balcony and you're gonna do this. There we go. Now the thing is, I need to go here, if I remember well, or maybe not. Okay, we are fine. The problem is that even I don't remember. We'll go downstairs. I just need to run here. I'm not sure if you can even hide. Nope, he will find us. Maybe not. That was really lucky there. So the thing is, we need to find glue. You don't even wanna know why. And if you don't do this now, you're gonna go all the way back later when you do a couple things more. Hopefully it's here. Okay, doesn't seem that we're... Oh god, I don't really like this. Maybe it's here. Yes? Maybe not. No. This isn't the room which we want. God damn it. Maybe I need to check my map. It's our father room. The problem is that if we don't find this one now,
Lucius, what are you doing up? Go
and we can't really, we can't use our ability to remove mem. God damn it. Okay, we will do this again. At least we can skip those cutscenes and all those kind of stuff. Let's try this again. Pretty sure that we need to go there. Oh god. Well, we're fucked up so badly.
Let's get you to bed.
And now he's spotting me. Nope. We're fucked up anyways. Okay, we'll try this one more time. And couple more if you need, of course. The problem is that glue. We need that freaking glue. And for some reason I can't really remember where was that placed. Don't really want to go all the way back later. Could probably go there. Again, there are a lot of people there. I know where is the basement. I do know, but the problem is that we need to find something else. Oh god. More? Wow, awesome. No.
Lucius, what are you doing now?
God damn it.
Back to your bed right now.
Okay, maybe have a slight idea where we need to go. When I do think a little bit more about that, I actually have an idea. But to be able to do that, I need to try to be unnoticed here. I actually went in that room already, but I failed. Yeah, let's make sure that he doesn't spot us. Okay, we should be fine here. Yeah, exactly. There we go. Now we have a freaking glue. Now the problem is that our mother is coming here. And she can't really see us. That is instant game over, unfortunately. But we can do this for those guys.
Hey, boy, why aren't you in bed?
And again, he's... Oh Okay, we're fine here, I think. Oh god, he's coming here. Should be fine. Yeah, we're fine so far. Straight to that secret area. And how the hell would someone know that he need to find that glue up there, even now when he said that we need something like that?
So, you've been led here. You found the chamber. Well done, Lucius. My two dumbass kids played down in these cellars for years and never suspected a thing. I had this chamber built with the mansion, you know, back in the day. This is where it all happens, Lucius. This is the heart of Dante Manor. All sorts of things have happened here. I have entertained guests of the highest stature. Now is the time for you to discover your destiny. You have a calling, Lucius. I have been expecting you for much longer than you can imagine. My sons have been a disappointment to me. But it is you I have been waiting for. You will show us all the way. But you've been reckless in your learning, Lucius. Jeopardized everything. You've brought too much attention on us, and now we have to deal with it. You can't risk discovery. Don't worry. After we dispose of him the right way, you will become much stronger. This is a holy place where the blood will work for us. Well, mainly for you. That's you, isn't it, my boy? Why don't you talk? Are you the prophecy? The Master said he'll take his due from my bloodline. I'm sure you are what he meant. Get this table ready for the ritual while I find the correct scripture.
Okay, this shouldn't be hard now. But I'm gonna show you why we collected that glue. So, to do that, we need to go here and collect those plates, or whatever the hell they are. But apparently one of those is broken, I think. One of the cups is broken. It will not hold blood. I need to fix it. Did I leave my glue inside the desk in the East Wing classroom? So, it's not really random. I just didn't read properly, but yeah. Now we need to go all the way back and try to collect that glue. So that is the problem. This bowl is broken. Now it's not. And before you place any of those, you're gonna take those matches and fire those candles on all four sides.